Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video, we are going to learn how to create an order in ShipStation with Google Sheet data automatically. So here, the use case is whenever a new row is added into Google Sheets, I want an order to get created automatically into ShipStation. But there is an issue. Google Sheets and ShipStation do not have any integration between them. So here in this video, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, a third-party software to integrate Google Sheets and ShipStation. Pabbly Connect will help to transfer the data of Google Sheets to ShipStation. The best part of using Pabbly Connect is you do not need to have coding skills and programming knowledge. It is actually very easy to use. Let me show you how on my screen. So guys, this is my Google Sheet and this is my ShipStation account. So the idea here is whenever I am entering some details in this row, I want an order to get created with the same data automatically into ShipStation. So let me just show you by entering some data, okay, such as order number, buyer name, buyer email and various these details. So I'm entering some data here. Okay guys, so I just entered these details here such as the order number 74, buyer name is Ria, buyer email is ria00@gmail.com and these details. So what I am expecting here is I want an order to get created automatically into ShipStation. So let's just check. Here I'm going to refresh the page. As the order number was 74, let's check for order number 74 for Ria Singh. Okay. So as you can see here, it is an entry named as 74, order number 74. Let's check here. Excellent. So as you can see, I mentioned some details here as recipient name Ria Singh. The same details are here and the order is created successfully in ShipStation. This is the same email address, Ria00. Yes, this is the same. So this is how our integration is going to work. Whenever I'm updating a row that with the same data, order will be created into ShipStation. So you must be wondering how I managed to create order automatically just by entering the data into Google Sheets. That too automatically. Let me tell you, I just followed 3 simple steps and they are very easy. You can also do the same by following the steps. Let me show you what those steps are. Okay guys, so these are the steps which I followed to create the workflow between Google Sheets and ShipStation. So the step 1 is connect Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect with the help of webhook URL. What does that mean? It means we have to first log in into Pabbly Connect and then we have to connect Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. How? With the help of webhook URL. So what is this webhook URL? When we will log in into Pabbly Connect, it will provide a webhook URL. We have to paste the same webhook URL into Google Sheets and then it will automatically connect Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. What is the second step? Second step is collect all the data of Google Sheets in Pabbly Connect. So after integrating Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect, whatever data we are going to enter in Google Sheets, it will be automatically captured by Pabbly Connect. In the third step, we are going to transfer the same data to ShipStation by connecting it with Pabbly Connect. So we will connect Pabbly Connect with ShipStation and then we are going to transfer the same data by Pabbly Connect to ShipStation. This means first we will connect Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect and then we will connect Pabbly Connect with ShipStation. So this is how our workflow will work. So let me show you how on my screen. Okay guys, so to begin with the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly, P-A-B-B-L-Y. After this, you can see this is how the website of pabbly.com looks like. Here on the option as products, you can see various products, but we have to click on connect. After clicking on Connect, this is how the landing page of Pabbly Connect looks like. Here I'm going to click on Sign In, as I've already made an account. But as you are a new user, you can create your account just by signing up for free in 2 minutes. So I'm going to click on Sign In. Here, to continue with the workflow, I'm going to scroll down, and on the Connect, I'm going to click on Access Now. After clicking on Access Now, this dashboard will appear. On the top right corner, you can see this button named as Create Workflow. I'm going to click on Create Workflow. This dialog box will appear. It is asking us to give a name to our workflow. So according to the topic, I'm going to give it as Google Sheets to ShipStation. Google Sheets to ShipStation. Okay, perfect. I'm going to click on Create. After clicking on Create, this window will appear. So here you can see 2 boxes. You must be wondering what are these 2 boxes are. Let me explain you what are they. The first one is trigger, the second one is action. Trigger means when this happens. Action means do this. According to our topic, trigger is when a new row is created. Action will be created order in ShipStation. Let me tell you practically. Here in the trigger option, in the choose app, I am going to choose Google Sheets. After choosing Google Sheets, we have to choose trigger event. After clicking on trigger event, this is the new spreadsheet row. It is our new trigger event. Okay. So after choosing the trigger event, this webhook URL will be provided by Pabbly Connect. So let's follow the step guide and do the same according to the guide here. So what it is saying is create a new spreadsheet, then navigate to add-ons and click on the get add-ons. Okay, so let's go to our Google Sheet. Here I'm going to make a new Google Sheet according to our topic. So I just created a new sheet such as I titled as ShipStation Customers. And I created these columns: order number, buyer name, buyer email, recipient name, and these details. So what was the next step? We have to navigate on add-ons. Okay, so this is my Google Sheet, but first I'm going to enter some details here. After this we will click on add-ons. So I'm just entering some details here, such as, let me just enter. Okay guys, so I just entered some details. The order number is 81. Buyer name is Tina. Buyer email is Tina John. Okay, let me just adjust it a bit. Okay, so her email is this, and these are the various other details. So now it was written navigate on add-ons. So let's click on add-ons. Here click on get add-ons. It will take you to a page named as Google Workspace Marketplace. Here in the search app, search for Pabbly Connect webhooks. Pabbly Connect webhooks. Okay, so as you can see, it is already installed in my system. You can install the same in your system as well. I'm closing this, and let me tell you, after installing Pabbly Connect webhooks in your system, do not forget to refresh your Google Sheet. I repeat, after installing Pabbly Connect webhooks in your system, do not forget to refresh your Google Sheet. Okay, so I'm going to again click on add-ons. This time I'm going to click on Pabbly Connect webhooks. Okay, and I'm going to click on initial setup. After clicking on initial setup, this box will appear. So here you can see 2 fields. First one is webhook URL. The second one is trigger column. Let me first explain you what trigger column is. Let's read here. The trigger column will be your final data entry column, on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. Okay, this means in the trigger column, we need to add the last data entry column of our worksheet. In my spreadsheet, it is I. I is my last data entry column. It can be anything according to your spreadsheet. So here I am going to mention I. Okay, and the second thing is this webhook URL. So where we can get this? Let me tell you. It is the same webhook URL which is provided by Pabbly Connect. We have to copy it and then we are going to paste it here. Okay, and then we are going to click on send test. After clicking on send test, you can see this message, test data sent successfully. Let's check here. Here we have to scroll down and we have to see the webhook response. Perfect. So as you can see, the same data which we mentioned here, such as order number 81, buyer name Tina, the same data is captured by Pabbly Connect. So this means we successfully integrated Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So here you can see these are the same details. Again, I'm going to Google Sheets. I'm going to click on submit, and this time I am going to click on Pabbly Connect again, Pabbly Connect webhooks, and I'm going to click on send on event. Why I'm going to click on send on event? Because I want whenever I'm going to enter the data in the same spreadsheet, the data should be captured by Pabbly Connect. So for this, we need to click on send on event. Perfect. So now it is connected successfully. We are going to scroll down. Here you can see these are the details. Okay. Okay. So in the next, choose your next application window. I'm going to choose. Let's check the details first. You can see there are every details, but you can see the date is missing. But I also want the current date to be mentioned in my order. So how I am going to do that? Let me tell you. I'm going to click on this plus button and again I'm going to establish a new window. In this window, okay, let's just wait for it. Okay, so in this window, I'm going to choose the app as date time formatter. Date time formatter. Why? Because as you can see, the date is not present here in the data, but I want to update the date in every new order. So with the help of date time formatter by Pabbly, I can easily add current date in every order. So in the action event, I'm going to choose current date and then I'm going to click on connect. Here you can see the basic format. Okay, so as you can see, there are various formats available. According to my choice, I am choosing this date time formatter. It is date, month and year. So you can choose according to yours. I am going to choose this one. And I do not want to include the time response. So I'm just leaving it as it is. And again, I'm going to click on save and send test request. Perfect. So as you can see, with the help of date time formatter by Pabbly, I successfully got this current date, which is 12th of August 2021. Okay, and then in the choose app, again I'm going to choose ShipStation. Okay, ShipStation, this. And after choosing ShipStation, I'm going to choose the action event. Here you can see various action events are available, but according to our topic, we have to create a new order. So I'm going to choose create order as the action event. And I'm going to click on connect. After clicking on connect, I'm going to click on add new connection. After clicking on add new connection, you have to fill these two fields. The first one is API key. The second one is API secret key. So from where I can get these details? Let's read. We can log into our ShipStation account and find the API key and API secret key under settings. Okay, so let's move on to ShipStation. In the My Profile section, you can see this option, API settings. We have to click on this. On the bottom of the page, you can see these keys are available. The first one is API key. Let's copy it. Okay. And now I'm going to paste it here. Okay. And then again, we will choose this. And then we are going to paste it here. Okay, and we are going to click on save. By clicking on save, we will successfully connect ShipStation with Pabbly Connect. After connecting, you can see these fields just appeared. So what it is asking us? It is asking us to map the data. What is mapping? Mapping basically is we have to enter the same data which was captured by Pabbly Connect here in these fields. So this was the data which was captured by Pabbly Connect, such as order number, buyer name and buyer email and these details. So here we have to map the data according to the field. Let's match the data and fill it. So here the order number is 81. Let's see. Yes, the order number is 81. Scroll down and then we can see the order. It is saying order date required. So date I am going to fill from date time formatter, which I just formatted. Okay, so this is the date I am going to choose. Now it is asking us for buyer name. So the buyer name here is Tina. Let's see if the same data is present here. Yes, the buyer name is Tina. Exactly. And then we are going to fill the buyer email. Yes, the buyer email we are going to choose here. Is it the same here? Yes, it is tinajohn@gmail.com. So you see how easy is mapping. So now I'm going to proceed by filling all other fields. I'm not going to fill these fields as these are not required, but you can fill them according to your need. But I am going to fill just the required ones. So the recipient name, her full name was Tina John, okay. And the address line was this I'm going to fill, okay. Recipient city, I'm going to mention the city here, okay. And then these are not required. The recipient country, I'm going to fill it from here, country code, okay. Amount paid was 100 rupees. Yes, it was. Let me show you once again. Yes, amount paid was 100 rupees. Okay. The next step is, okay, let's scroll down and these are the last two fields. Let me fill them. Item quantity was 1 and per unit price was 100. Yes, it was 100. And after this, I am going to click on save and send test request. So the response here received is, let's check. Perfect. So the response is received and the order is created. Let's go on to our ShipStation page and check if the order for this name and order number 81 is created or not. I'm going to ShipStation page. Let me first tell you one more thing. Okay. So here you can see in the order section, it is manual orders and awaiting payment. So let me explain you. Manual orders are directly created in ShipStation. Like in ShipStation, we have two options. We can create our own products or import products from different stores. So here manual orders means we are creating the products directly in our dashboard. But we have to click on awaiting payment as we created the order in awaiting payment. And then I'm going to refresh the page. And what we were doing, we were checking if the order for Tina John is created or not. So the order number was 81. Let's check. Perfect. So as you can see, the order for Tina John is created. The order number is 81. Yes, the details are Tina John. Yes, they are. So you see, the order for Tina John is created just by integrating Google Sheets with ShipStation. So we will do a cross check by again mentioning the details here, and then we will check the order is getting created or not. But first let's understand the process, what we just did. So here, let me minimize these windows and explain you what we did. Okay. So here, first we integrated Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. And then we entered the date and time formatter to enter the current date. And in the last step, we integrated ShipStation with Pabbly Connect with the help of API keys and map all the data which was captured by Pabbly Connect. And after that, we see the order was created automatically into ShipStation. This means the workflow between Google Sheets and ShipStation is completely fine. Let's do another entry. So I'm making new entries here again, and then we will check if the order is getting created automatically or not. Let me just enter the details. Okay guys, so I just entered some details here, such as, okay, let me scroll it here. Okay, let me align it. This is left, so I'm going to align it left, and I'm going to match it with the font size. Perfect. Now as you can see, I entered some details here, such as order number 82, buyer name is Jenny, and her email is jenny123@gmail.com. So what are we expecting is, we just entered the details here. Let's check if the order is created in ShipStation or not. So again, I'm going to this page. I'm going to refresh. Order number was 82. Let's check. Okay. Excellent. So as you can see, an order number 82 is created. Let's see. Yes, it is for Jenny Thomas. We entered the name as Jenny Thomas. Yes, the order is created for Jenny Thomas. It is created successfully. This means the integration is working successfully between Google Sheets and ShipStation with the help of Pabbly Connect. Not just these two apps, you can integrate plenty of SAP with the help of Pabbly Connect. And if you have any query, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com, or you can simply ask your queries at this link. Thank you for watching. Bye.